And this is the second question. As you see in the phone, it has one conclusion followed by 5 statements. And again, we saw the previous question. It comes from the topic called as reverse syllogism. And here we go for one more example question for the same topic, reverse syllogism. And this question has 5 statements followed by a single conclusions, and that conclusions have 2 phrases, and each statement has 2 phrases of the given options. Again, we can draw a diagram for the given statements. So first statement is like some roots or leaves. So some roots or leaves, and second is some roots or flowers. Again, some roots or flowers. Can I go for one more diagram? Can I combine this flower with this leaves? Yes. So again, flowers and roots and leaves. Got it. And check the conclusion. Some flowers or leaves is false. Second one, some flowers or leaves is true. And in this one, some roots or leaves is true. It's again true here. Got it. So what we go for this conclusion, either I can say statement 1 is getting followed. No, it is getting false in the first possible diagram. So I cannot go for this one. So simply statement 1 is not following. So statement 1 is like it's false and true. Conclusion 1 is false, conclusion 2 is true. Got it? And second statement, no flower is a root. Again, draw diagram. So no flower is a root. And second statement is all roots are leaves. Again, all roots are leaves. Any other possible diagram? Can I combine the leaves and flowers? Yes. So flowers and roots, I can draw this as the leaves. Again, check with the conclusion. Some flowers or leaves. So some flowers or leaves is true in this case, false in this case. And second conclusion is some roots or leaves is true in both the cases. Got it? Again, I am getting one as false, one as true. So again, statement 2 is like false and true. And now we can go for statement 3 given the question. In this question, we have 5 statements followed by the same set of conclusions. And statement 3 goes like this. Statement 3 states that all flowers are roots. So 3 is like all flowers are roots. You please keep on drawing the diagram. And second is all leaves are roots. And draw diagram, all flowers are roots. I can go like for overlapping. Good. So all flowers are roots. Again, all leaves are roots. Again, all leaves comes under roots. And second possible diagram, can the flower and leaves be related? Of course, yes. So flowers and roots are here. While drawing leaves, you can draw some with flowers. And my second possible diagram. And please again check the conclusions. Some flowers or leaves is false here, true here. And second thing is some roots or leaves is true in both the cases. Again, in this also, one is not following. Again, statement 3 seems to be like false and again true. Got it? If these are the cases, can I go for statement 1 is getting followed? Of course, no. Only if it is following in 2 conclusions, I can go for that statement is a correct one. So this is also getting false. And now comes the fourth statement. Statement 4 states that all leaves are roots. All leaves are roots, or all roots are flowers. This is statement 4. And again check with this one. All leaves are roots. So draw diagram. All leaves are roots. Again, all roots are flowers. Again, all roots are flowers. Please check with the conclusion. Some flowers are leaves. Is it true? Good, true. Some roots or leaves is also true. So statement 4 is like true in both the cases. And if you're getting true in both the cases, you can actually stop here itself, because there's no need to go for statement 5 and check it, because we don't have the options like both follow. Got it? So if you are getting an answer in statement 4, if getting true as follows, you can simply go for option D, statement 4 is getting followed. Got it? And in this type of questions, the options like statement 1 and 2 follow, or statement 2 or 3 follow, doesn't have the options like this. Got it? The options are very simple. Option A states that statement 1 follow. Got it? Option B states that statement 2 follow, and C is statement 3 follow, and D is statement 4 follow, and E is statement 5 follow. That's it. I don't have options here like statement 4 and 5 follow, or else 1 and 2 follow. There's nothing like option like that. So if you're getting something incorrect in first itself, you can simply go for that option. So the option 4 is exactly following, and there is statement 5. We have statement 5, but there is no need to check these statements and waste time on it. You can simply go like option D. Statement 4 is getting followed in both the cases. So answer is option D. Simple. Got it? And if suppose you are getting answer in the statement 1 itself, you can simply go for option A, statement 1 follows. Unless there is no options like both follow, you cannot, you no need to proceed for the remaining statements only. You can simply go for this one. And again, there's a small clue for this topic. You can better draw diagrams starting from statements 5 to statement 1, because always in these questions they will ask, they actually want students to spend time on the first 3 and then find answer in the first statement. So you simply go in reverse manner also. Got it? Take the conclusions and first of all go and check the statement 5. And then check statement 4, and then come for 3, and then come for 2, and then you just go in a reverse manner. Got it? Because what bank people's what is like, they actually set question paper in terms that statement 3 or 4 or 4 or 5 will be the answer. Got it? And you probably waste time on finding the solution for statement 1, 2 and 3. It's actually not needed and not going to be the answers for most of the cases. So simply go for check the statement 5 first of all, and then come for statement 4. And if you're getting it following both the cases like this, simply the answer will be like the statement will get followed. Got it? Unless you have options like both follow, there's no need to go and solve all the given statements. And having a key point here is, please always come from the reverse manner. That's like time saving method.